You want your YouTube content to look professional and keep people watching, but sometimes creating polished B-roll feels like an impossible task. Today, I am going to walk you through 3 super practical types of B-roll that will instantly elevate the quality of your videos. I will also show you how to streamline your workflow and get maximum reach using smart tools, so your hard work actually gets seen. The best part is that this is a simple, no-fluff system that you can easily master in just one single afternoon. First, let's talk about the incredible versatility of overhead or top-down camera shots. Many creators assume these angles are only for cooking or product unboxings, but that is a huge misconception. Whether you are explaining a complex budget, a fitness plan, or a script roadmap, top-down visuals make your storytelling much more compelling. To set this up painlessly, you can simply clamp an extendable bar between 2 sturdy light stands over your table. Use a ball head for your camera and try bouncing your lights off the ceiling to achieve soft, diffused lighting without any harsh shadows. You do not need a cinema camera for this. Even compact mirrorless cameras work perfectly when paired with a sharp lens. If you are using a wider lens, do not worry, because you can always crop in slightly during the editing process. Make your shot pop by adding small visual accents like a tiny plant, colored paper backdrops, or an RGB tube light for some mood. Tools like Vizard make this even better because they can automatically detect the most engaging, high-energy moments from your long-form footage. Instead of manual scrubbing, you get ready-to-post clips that highlight your roadmap reveals and animated pen strokes. The second essential style is the classic rock-solid tripod shot. This is your bread-and-butter B-roll for showing off your desk setup, camera gear, or even just your backyard environment. It gives your viewer necessary context and helps them visually translate the concepts you are talking about. If you are just starting out, keep your shot static and then add subtle motion later in your editing software. A gentle digital zoom or a slow crop pan can make a static shot look surprisingly cinematic and natural. If you have a video tripod with a fluid head, try to practice your pans and tilts to get that smooth, organic movement. For the best results, tighten the head just a little bit and apply steady, consistent pressure during the motion. When you are filming these explanation segments, Vizard's auto editing feature is an absolute game changer. It finds the exact parts where your pacing, your audio, and your visuals align to create perfect bite-sized clips. Unlike manual editing, this tool prioritizes virality signals to ensure the clips you get are actually shareable. It is much faster than picking clips by hand in complex software, and it integrates scheduling, which saves you tons of time. The third type of B-roll you need to master is the high-quality screen recording. If you teach, demo software, or walk people through websites, these recordings are insanely useful. For the best results, make sure you match your recording resolution to your display and use a high video bitrate. This simple step helps you avoid that blurry, compressed look you often see in low-effort tutorial videos. You can create roadmap visuals in design apps, record them while you narrate, and drop them into your edits to keep eyes busy. Drop these long tutorials into Vizard and let the AI find the exact seconds where you hit a strong teaching moment. You can export those snippets directly as shorts, stories, or reels without having to do any manual work. Trying to stitch together a dozen different apps for editing, scheduling, and conversion is just too messy. Vizard provides a single unified path from your raw long-form footage to a steady stream of engaging short-form content. A great tip for using AI editors is to keep your audio clean and add visual changes every 15 to 30 seconds. When you give the software more visual hooks like product reveals or screen swaps, it has much more to choose from. Also, try to keep some intentional pauses in your speech, because those are often used by models to identify highlight clips. If you need intense frame-by-frame color grading, you should still use professional editors like DaVinci or Premiere. However, for creators who want to grow without becoming full-time editors, this streamlined approach is a total lifesaver. Consistent output is what grows channels, not just one viral hit, but a steady drumbeat of daily content. If you found these B-roll tips useful, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to the channel. I will include links in the description for the lights, clamps, and gear I mentioned to help you get started today. To recap, use your top-downs for visual stories, tripod shots for context, and clean screen recordings for your tutorials. Let a smart tool like Vizard turn those long sessions into viral-ready clips on autopilot. Do the shooting once, let the AI handle the heavy lifting, and keep testing to see what works best for your audience. The more you practice this workflow, the faster your output will become, and the better your results will be. Transform your setup into something easy to manage, film with intention, and your videos will instantly feel more valuable. Thanks for watching, and I cannot wait to see what you create with these new editing strategies.